Have you ever wished you could create a virtual version of yourself that speaks and moves just like you? Well, now you can. Thanks to HUMVA AI, transforming a simple photo into a talking AI avatar is easier than ever.
In this video, we'll walk you through how to use HUMVA AI to create custom avatars, choose from a variety of templates, and even upload your own photos and voices to make your avatar truly unique. The link to the website is available in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the HUMVA AI website. Once you're there, you'll need to create an account. Don't worry, it's super easy. You can either sign up with your Google account or simply enter your email and password. Once you've filled everything out, click Sign Up. Now that you've logged in, you'll see a variety of different avatars to choose from. HUMVA AI offers a ton of styles for different types of videos, including studio style, lifestyle, cartoon, outdoor, health and fitness, and more. You can even select avatars based on age, mood, and orientation, whether it's a portrait for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Now, let's dive into the fun part. You can choose from a wide range of templates available on the platform. There are tons of options, but let's say you want to make an educational video.
Lights, camera, action. Step into a world where every frame tells a story.
Simply select the education template and add your script.
Knowledge is power, and learning is the ultimate adventure.
You can also upload your own audio if you prefer and add your script. Once that's done, just click Export and your video is ready.
Critical thinking is a must-have skill for students. It helps analyze information, solve problems, and make informed decisions. Instead of memorizing facts, learners should question, evaluate, and think creatively. Schools must focus on developing this skill to prepare students for real-world challenges. Think critically, learn smartly.
But here's where things get really exciting. You can create an avatar that looks just like you. To do this, click on the avatar section, then select Custom Avatar or Photo Avatar. I'll choose Custom Avatar and upload a clear, front-facing photo. Make sure it's a good quality photo for the best results. Once your photo is uploaded, you can select a voice for your avatar.
Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for.
Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place.
There are multiple voice options to choose from, and you can even upload your own voice if you prefer. After that, give your avatar a name and choose the aspect ratio. 16:9 for standard videos or 9:16 for social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Now, here's a cool new option. You can upload your own background or even choose a custom outfit for your avatar. This really helps make the avatar feel more personal and in line with your brand. Choose the background and outfit you like, and then move on to the next step. HUMVA AI will generate 12 different video options for you. You can choose the 5 that you like the most and hit play to see them in action. How amazing is that? It's like having your own AI assistant that can create videos for you instantly.
Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen. Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen.
Once you've picked the best videos, you can add your script, click Export, and there you go. Your custom AI avatar video is ready to be shared.
Have you ever wished you could create a virtual version of yourself that speaks and moves just like you? Well, now you can. Thanks to HUMVA AI, transforming a simple photo into a talking AI avatar is easier than ever.
It's that simple. The great news is that you can begin with a free version which gives you 36 points and allows you to create up to a 3-minute video. If you decide to upgrade, simply click on subscribe, enter the promo code HUMVA and get your first month of standard membership for just 10 cents. This offer is valid for the first 5,000 users only. Just enter your card details, hit subscribe, and your plan will be updated instantly. So, with HUMVA AI, you can easily create videos using a digital version of yourself, complete with custom avatars and voices. It's perfect for content creators, businesses, or anyone who wants to make engaging videos without being on camera all the time. Don't forget to check out the link to HUMVA AI in the description below to start creating your own AI avatars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.